Mojave is the evolution of our best ideas, our best innovations in building top-notch air and vac products and combining all that knowledge with the lessons we've learned over time. Our goal with Mojave was all about creating a dry vacuum system that's based on amazing technology, but making it very, very simple to install and super efficient to use on a daily basis. At the heart of Mojave is a single-stage regenerative pump that's controlled by a variable frequency drive. Besides needing no oil or water to create vacuum and maintain really high flow rates, this technology is incredibly sophisticated and yet so simple. We actually figured out a way to speed up and slow down the pump to exactly meet the needs of any dental office. The response rate is so fast that everything happens in real time and it's all automatic and transparent to the user.
It all starts with a variable frequency drive. When the demand in the dental office increases, the Mojave speeds up and goes faster. When the demand is no longer there, it slows down and it goes into an idle stage. By slowing the pump down, you achieve a few different things. The first is that you use a lot less power, you conserve energy, and you also lower your utility bills. By the pump running at a slower rate when it's in an idle mode, you also extend the life of the pump by not putting as much stress on the unit. The Mojave creates 8 inches of mercury and has a flow rate greater than 6 SCFM, even when multiple operatories are being used at the same time. These optimal levels are safe for the patient and better than anything else on the market today.
The Mojave is a single-stage vacuum pump that uses a 3-phase marathon motor. This motor has 4 times the starting torque as our previous generation, which enables the Mojave to instantly react to vacuum demand while running cooler at a lower RPM based on the vacuum demand. In our new design, we use industrial-grade bearings with high-temperature grease that we position away from the heat source for optimal performance and reliability.
We offer Mojave in 2 base models, V3 and V5, for dental offices with up to 3 and 5 simultaneous users.
These units can be doubled up for the mid-size offices that need greater vacuum.
The V5 can be tripled or even quadrupled, allowing us to address the demands of larger dental offices.
We're able to eliminate downtime through redundancy by stacking these units. What makes all this tick like clockwork is the master controller.
If the single-stage regenerative pump and the variable frequency drive are the brain and sinew of Mojave, then the master controller is its soul. When you first look at the master controller, it could not be simpler. But I love how it scales from being a box that is so apparently simple to something that is incredibly sophisticated.
The master controller not only monitors vacuum demand continuously and turns on extra pumps when needed, but also balances the speed of each pump so everything spins at the same speed. Of course, this has a tremendous effect on prolonging pump life, but it also ensures that the Mojave operates at lower temperatures and uses less power while meeting the demand of any dental office.
We use the LED display on the master controller to show ambient conditions and pump performance. The performance of any vacuum system depends to a certain extent on environmental conditions. So the master controller shows the operating temperature, the vacuum level in the main suction line, the pump run time, and the frequency at which the pump is running. This takes the unknown out of the vacuum system. It also displays error conditions, aids the service technicians to precisely identify problems and resolve them.
Part of the promise with Mojave is simplicity combined with amazing technology. When you first look at the system, your eyes are drawn to the innovative separation tank. Not a single detail was ignored. Mojave uses a rotomolded plastic tank. Its inlets and outlets are placed the furthest away that they can be to prevent splashing and bypass of liquids. It also has a guillotine valve on the drain for serviceability. It makes the entire system more robust.
We've added a protective surge suppressor inside the tank to prevent any splashing when a large volume of liquids enters the tank. For small to mid-size offices, the 10-gallon tank provides ample capacity. For larger offices, we offer the Continuum tank, which is 2 10-gallon tanks connected via a swing check valve. Using software float switches and solenoid valves, we're able to offer unlimited capacity with no interruptions or loss of vacuum.
With Mojave, we took everything so much further. It's got best-in-class performance, it's driven by a master controller that not only knows your vacuum needs, but also adjusts the pump speed for both efficiency and cost savings. It's flexible enough to support dental offices of any size, and it's got a collection tank that's the perfect marriage of form and function. all this explains why Mojave is the evolution of our very best thinking and our very best innovations.